Hello students, welcome to Costing Methods and Techniques class. We have started with job costing and already two problems we have solved. So we are going to solve another problem on job costing. I'll read out problem. A work order of 500 units of a commodity has to pass through four different machines, of which the machine hour rate are machine number 1 rupees 1.25, machine number 2 rupees 3, machine 3 rupees 4, machine 5 rupees 2.50. The following expenses have incurred on the work order: materials 20,000, wages 1,500. Machine number 1 worked for 200 hours, machine number 2 worked for 300 hours, machine number 3 worked for 240 hours, machine number 4 worked for 100 hours. After the work order has been executed, materials worth rupees 1,000 are found to be returned to stores. Office overheads are to be estimated at 60% of works cost. 10% of the production is going to be discarded, being unsatisfactory, for which half the amount can be realized from sale in the junk market. Find Find out the rate of selling price per unit if 20% profit on selling price is desired. It is presumed that net resulted output is 500 units. It is the quantum of work order after the discarded units have been adjusted for. Okay, so this is the problem, and they have asked us to prepare job cost sheet. Okay, yes. Next line heading, write down job cost sheet for the period ending. Okay, next line, three columns, particulars and two amount columns. Okay, so first we need to take direct material. So direct material is already given in the problem, that is 20,000. Next is direct wages. Direct wages is also given in the problem. Direct wages, before taking direct wages, there is an adjustment for direct material. Okay, check here. After the work order has been executed, materials worth rupees 1,000 were found to be returned to stores. So whatever materials, so this direct material out of 20,000, 1,000 is returned back to stores. Okay, so that has to be deducted, less materials returned. Okay, so material returned is 1,000, so that is 19,000. Okay, now direct wages. Direct wages is 1,500. So direct expense is not given in the problem, so add it, so that is 20,500. Okay, yes. So what this is called as? This is called as prime cost. It is prime cost. Okay, next is add factory overheads. Now related to factory overheads, what information is given? Now here they have given us like machines, how many hours they have worked. There are four machines here, and machine hour rate is given here. Okay, so these are what? These are factory overheads, right? So write down machine 1, machine 1. So machine 1 has worked for 200 hours into rupees 1.25, right? So the amount is 250. Okay, yes. Now next, machine 2. Now machine 2 has worked for 300 hours and machine hour rate for machine 2 is rupees 3. That is 900. Okay, next, machine 3. It has worked for 240 hours. 240 hours into machine hour rate for machine 3 is rupees 4. So this all information is given in the problem itself. It is 960. Next is machine 4. Machine 4 is machine 4 has worked for 100 hours and rate for this is 2.50. Okay, so that is 250, right? Now again go through the problem. If anything related to factory overheads they have given. If they haven't given, then this itself is called as works cost. Okay. Make total of all these four and take it to the outer column. So that will be 2360. Now add this amount to prime cost, that is 22,860. 22,860. Okay. The next is add administrative overheads. Add administrative overheads. Okay. Now go through the problem, what information they have given. Office overheads is nothing but administrative overheads are to be estimated at 60% of works cost. 60% of works cost. Now we know works cost, that is 22,860, right? So 60% it is 22,860 into 60 divided by 100. Okay, so that is 13,716. 13,716. Again go through the problem. If anything related to administrative overheads they have given. If they haven't given anything related to that, then whatever total we get, that is called as cost of production. Cost of production, make a total 36,576. Okay, yes. Now go through the problem. 10% of the production is going to be discarded being unsatisfactory, for which half the amount can be realized from sale in the junk market. So first what we will do, 10% of the production is going to be discarded being unsatisfactory, right? So from cost of production, we need to deduct less sale proceeds. No, that is 10% of the production is going to be discarded. Production discarded 10% they have told. So that is 36,576 into 10%, that will be 3,657.6. Now deduct this, that is 32,919. 32,919. Okay, yes. Now what they have told, there is a sales proceeds over here, so sales proceeds has to be added. Check here. So wherein half of the amount is realized from sale in the junk market, so that is nothing but sales proceeds. Half. Okay, amount is how much? 3,657.6 worth of production is discarded, wherein half of the amount is recovered. Half of the amount is recovered. That is 1,828.8. Understanding? Okay. Now add this 32,919 plus 1,828.8. 34,747.8. Okay, yes. Now in this problem they have not given anything related to selling and distribution overheads. So what we will do, this itself is called as cost of sales. Okay, now again go through the problem. If anything related to profit or sales is given in the problem, find out the rate of selling price per unit if 20% profit on selling price is desired. Okay, note 1, calculation of profit. Now what they have told, profit is 20% on selling price, right? We will assume sales as 100 Then profit is 20% on selling price, so profit will be 20. Then cost will be 80. Okay, so considering this, we need to find out profit. So here cost and profit. Now when cost is 80, profit is 20. Understanding? Yes. Now when cost of sales, so here it is 34,747.8, then how much will be the profit? Okay. So now 34,747.8 into 20 divided by, I'll take it down, divided by 80. Now which will be equal to, calculate this, 8,686.95. 8,686.95. So this is our profit. So show here profit in bracket note 1. So that is 8,686.95. Okay. Yes. Now find out how much is sales. That is 34,747.8 plus 8,686.95. 43,434.75. So this is our sales. Okay. Now one more thing they have asked. Find out the selling price per unit. Okay, so selling price per unit has to be calculated and the output is 500. Okay, now here note 2, calculation of sales per unit. Sales is 43,434.75 divided by, so how many units they have produced? 500 units. Okay, so which will be equal to 86.87 rupees, 86.87. Okay, so this is what is the problem. Okay, hope so this problem is clear to everyone. Go through the problem, solve it again. Again in next video we will be solving another problem. Okay, see you in next class.